Whilst in Barcelona, I took the opportunity to hop on board AMANTE, really nice Hylas 70, designed by her man Frers, fully set up for blue water cruising, and she really is a super yacht. You see the twin wheels, controls on both pedestals. She's got a very, very good spec for blue water, and she has been beautifully maintained. She's from 2007. What I love about the twin wheel is it offers really good access into the cockpit and good vision. She's a fully automated yacht and everything can be controlled from aft. And of course the cockpit itself is absolutely huge. One of the things about the Hylas is that they sail so much better than people think. So at sea she's an absolute witch. And look, if you come out onto the side decks, which are really wide, another thing I seriously love is no teak decks. Look at that proper boarding gate arrangement. And then we're coming forward. They really do fantastic stainless steel. Look at all the detailing and the hatches. Cutter, twin windlasses, twin anchor arrangement, how cool is that? All in very good condition. She has a large lazarette at the front. Try and show you that. It's absolutely massive. I'm not showing it very well, but there it is. And then you look back, Furlex systems on the front. Big triple spreader aluminium rig. Now we're down below. She's put away. She's wearing crew covers. Underneath you can see there's nice leather upholstery. The teak is absolutely fantastic, and look at this table with this wonderful burr. It just is fabulous. It's all in high gloss and in really good condition. And then you've got really good engine access. So you just have to open this door. Then you can see down all the pumps. Engine in here, she's got a Yanmar 240 horsepower and the generator is behind. Lovely, lovely space here. TV, lots and lots of light. She's all blinded up to prevent the veneers getting damaged. And the thing that's really good about this yacht is the layout. She's got 3 double cabins. And this is the one at the front. Fabulous joinery. Heads compartment in here. And there's a separated shower stall. All very clean and bright and airy. So that's that one. And then we've got another cabin further aft. Just showing you this heads compartment. And then we're going to go into the other double, which is lovely. Absolutely in the right part of the ship. Loads of storage all around. Every cabin is air conditioned. She's got this lovely curved bulkhead which works really well. And then back into the main saloon, which is very spacious. Nice chart table area. At the other side of those blinds are just amazing big windows so the light floods in. And this is the other access into the engine space. And you see the generator in the acoustic hood. Really easy to work on this yacht. And here is all the cockpit cushions. And this is an upper and lower berth cabin, which is either a fourth cabin or it's for crew. These owners actually sail her, the two of them, with friends, because she is easily managed with her automated rig. Another heads compartment and a separated shower stall. And then we come into a very large owner's cabin. Here it is. Lots and lots of wardrobe space. On the starboard side, got a desk. Large double. Lots of hatches, natural light. Just want to show you a bit more of this joinery. It looks much better in real life. There's entertainment in all the cabins. Very, very nice. And then in here is a heads compartment for the owners and a separated shower stall. You see a washer dryer there. Well, actually it's 2 units. It's a washing machine and a drying machine, which is really good. And then you've got this massive galley, marble surfaces, Corian on the right hand side. Big fridges, massive freezers which are top load and side load. Good cooker, twin sink, and the tap comes out and has a shower head, which is very cool. Lots and lots of storage. Being American, she's got trash compactor, she's got a dishwasher, ice maker. AMANTE is a very nice yacht. But the thing that is really cool about her, and I'm just going to show you this before we close, here is the mechanism for the centreboard. So she is also a centreboarder, giving you 2.6 metre draft. Great yacht. AMANTE.